Hello and welcome back. Today we'll talk about how to retarget data from Access Studio inside of Blender using AUTORIG Pro. AUTORIG Pro can be purchased and downloaded from blendermarket.com. Once the zip file is downloaded, you need to unzip the contents. Let's install the plugin inside of Blender. Go to the Edit menu, Preferences, and then select Add-ons. Click on Install and click on the AUTORIG Pro folder. There will be two zip files inside, AUTORIG Pro Master and Rig Tools. Both plugins will need to be installed. Now let's locate the plugin and enable both. To check that the plugin has been installed correctly, click on View and enable the sideboard. You can also use the shortcut keyboard letter N. To locate the plugin, go to the sidebar and locate the tab that's called ARP. Now open Access Studio, open the file you want to export and click Export. Under the file type options, we'll select BPH. Set the skeleton selection to Access Studio thumb open. This is for characters that have a T-pose. Choose where you want to save the file by clicking on the Change button, select the folder, and click on Export. Now let's go back to Blender, go to File, Import Motion Capture BVH. Locate the exported BVH file from Access Studio. Based on your scene size, you may need to update the scale. For this import, we'll use 0.1. Let's now import our target character. For this demo, we'll use a Mixamo character. Go to File, Import, select FBX, and locate your character. You may need to adjust the scale. Click on Import FBX, and now navigate towards the outliner and expand the imported character's components. In the AUTORIG Pro tab, expand the remap options. Select the Access Studio skeleton as a source, then select your imported character skeleton as a target. Enable the In Place option. Click on Auto Scale, then click Build Bone List to expose the source and target setup. In the following list, we'll need to match the source bone to our target bones. We begin by selecting the source bone, and in the drop-down menu, locate the correct bone found in the target character. When assigning the hip bone, you'll need to enable Set as Root. And when assigning the feet bones, enable IK options for both left and right foot only. AUTORIG Pro allows you to save your mapping presets so that you can import them for reuse. After all bones have been matched to the target, click Retarget. In the pop-up window, leave the default options and click OK. Your Access Studio animation should now be properly retargeted to your character. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.